What is good, YouTube? Boy, Fletch. I need a knife to open this box. For today's video, man, I'm doing a quick little video. It's dark again. Sorry for being dark. Blame daylight saving time. But I got me a brace one strut bar, so I'm looking to assemble it real quick and just slap that in. I may or may not post this video, but if you see this video up, then I made my mind up to post it and it was worthy enough. So let me open this somehow. All right, guys. Once you get it out of the box, it's wrapped up in this foam. Oh, we need to protect it. Oh my God, let me not scratch this. Let's unwrap it like that. Oh, that's one of the for the strut tower. Where's the start? There you go. It's not even tape. It's like saran wrap. That's that. Let me unwrap this piece and then I'll get back to it, guys. It's just like that. I'm just gonna go put these on the car. I don't know which way it goes, so I'm gonna go put these on the car, then put the bar in. So let's go do that. All right, guys, these are 14 millimeters. That right there. Unscrew them. It's not too bad installing this in the dark. You got light, you guys can see everything, right? Okay. Alright, so I believe this goes on this side. Yeah. Goes on that side. Just like that, guys. Put the bolt, the nut back on, and then zap it down. Just like that. Then I'll check that with my ratchet and do the same this side to the next side. All right, guys. The whole thing getting wet, so just put this in. Rest that right there. All right, it's gonna be hard to one hand, so like so. Yeah. Find a hole with one hand. Boom. Put that in. Put the washer back. I believe it's a 14 millimeter right here as well. I think this Allen is an 8 millimeter. Don't mistake me, but I gotta. All right, guys. So I had to take it back out and then install it like this, but they're not tightened yet. So. Now that one, come on. Damn. Where's my speed ratchet? All right, let's reinstall that again. Boom. Then just tighten up this the Allen key. Just tighten that up, and then it should be a, what size is this? That should be like a 14 on the back side. But yeah, let me tighten that and then we're done. Alright guys, that was a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoy that, man. Whew, I gotta keep putting out the content for you guys, man. No matter what, I'm about to keep going, trying, man. I ain't start the year off like how I want to, like financially wise. So I mean, I can't really go crazy right now, but I'm gonna get there, man. The year just started. It's only January, but good things come to those who wait. Let me show you guys what the next video is gonna be. Right? So, as you can see, how much? If it does, you focus. 6 by 5 feet. Vinyl wrap. That'll be the next video, wrapping the roof. Just doing cheap shit, man. For me, that wrap was cheap. I'm just doing cheap little shit. After I do the roof wrap, I don't know what's next. To be honest, like the paint on my car is really like it has swirls in it. That ain't nothing but a paint correction, but there's like my back bumper got messed up while doing my trunk setup. And I messed up one of my side skirts, so those need paint. I was gonna either just get paint, but the price quote I got for paint is the same price as a roll of wrap. Spend that much bread, get the car painted. Well, get the little pieces painted, and it may or may not fully match perfectly, or just wrap the car. But who knows, man? What I'm gonna do. Stay tuned for the next one, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Boy, for Fletcher. We out of here, man. Peace.